Hello guys, good morning, and how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing fine. Okay, so welcome to my channel, the Arbitrary TV. So yeah, I share easy tips on how you can make free money online. Okay, so without any further ado, let me quickly dive into today's topic. So, but before we do that, I would like you guys, if you can subscribe to this channel. Yes, if you can subscribe to this channel, because that's the only thing that motivates us to drop more genuine content. Okay, so today I will be teaching you guys how you can make $100 per day. Okay, I can make $100 per day for a lifetime. Okay, just by doing simple task. Okay, by clicking on link. So this website has been there for so long, but a lot of people have not tapped into it. They have not known much about it, and it's really paying a lot. It's really paying a lot. So the name of the website is called Entire Web. Okay, Entire Web. Although I will take you guys to the website, but at first let me just tell you what the site is all about. The site is just like Google website, whereby you click on Google and type on anything that you want to know, and Google will simply bring out the information you need. So you know how Google is saturated with a lot of posts, a lot of comments, so many things. So that's how this website is as well. So let me quickly show you the website. I don't want this video to be long, so I'll just show you the website, how you can go about it in case you might find it needful, in case you want to make money online. So you can also search on it. You can also do your stuff on it. Okay, so here we are. This is the website. Okay, this is the website. So it says accept all. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is what we have here. So how you let me quickly show you how you can make money on this website. So let's try to do something. So all you have to do is, let me just type how to make money, how to make money, how to make money. Okay, how to make money. So let's wait for it to load. So this is what I'm saying. So you guys see that it's not different from Google search, so everything is related. So it's going to bring out some links. Okay, it's going to bring out some links. So anytime it shows any link and you click on the link, you are going to make a 0.2 cents. Okay, let me type here. You are going to make Okay, 0.20 cents. Now 0.20 cents. Maybe let's say now you now click like 5 link here now. You have make how much like that? You have make $1 just by clicking this 4 link here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a lot of link there, so you guys don't need to panic. So there's a lot of money here that you will make. Okay, so just by clicking the link and you will be credited. So the the good news about this website is that if you want to withdraw your money, you withdraw through PayPal account. So if you have a PayPal account, you can simply click on the interface where you will withdraw your money. Okay, is that on the home page where you will click your when you input your PayPal address, then it will credit you your account. So guys, you too can also make some research on this. Okay, so I've already shown you what you need to know, so you can also make your own research on it. Okay, so this is the easiest way for you to earn money online without stress, without going through any stress. Okay, so thank you guys. I don't want this video to be long. Okay, before you guys, I will implore you guys to kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, and add your comments. You can comment, so let me know what is going on, and I can put you through any difficulty you are passing through. Okay, so bye, see you next time. Have a nice day.